Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use text formatting tags in HTML. We'll start by exploring the fundamental tags that allow you to make text bold or italic. Understanding these basic elements is crucial for creating visually appealing and well-structured web content. We'll cover how to apply them effectively to highlight important information and improve the overall user experience on your web pages. Let's dive right in and learn how to give your text some style. Let's look at making text bold and italic. For bold text, you have two main options, the strong tag and the B tag. While both make text appear bold, strong conveys semantic importance, which is great for screen readers. Similarly, for italics, the M tag emphasizes text semantically, whereas the I tag is for stylistic italics, like a foreign word. Choose the tag that best fits the meaning you want to convey. Beyond bold and italic, HTML provides several other useful formatting tags. The mark tag is perfect for highlighting specific words, making them stand out visually. If you need to display smaller text, perhaps for copyright notices or disclaimers, the small tag is your go-to. For showing revisions, the del tag strikes through deleted text, and the ins tag underlines newly inserted content. These tags offer a wide range of presentation possibilities. It's important to understand the difference between semantic and presentational tags. Semantic tags, like strong and M, convey meaning to browsers and assistive technologies, improving accessibility and search engine optimization. Presentational tags, such as B and I when used purely for style, only affect visual appearance. For robust styling, always prefer using CSS. This approach ensures your HTML remains clean, meaningful, and easily maintainable for future updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.